Usually, normal lamps used while camping produce too much light. This bright light can disturb students or other participants who are resting, causing them to not get enough sleep. Lack of rest can affect their health and performance throughout the activity.
So, we come with product that we call Voltra. Why we call it Voltra?
For your information, Voltra is a combination of two different types of electrical materials, voltage and ultra. Main object, a fresh orange, placed neatly inside a transparent display case, with a small segment of peel artistically placed in front, symbolizing natural freshness and subtle imperfection.
Lighting element, a small warm-hued hanging lamp positioned directly above the orange. The lamp provides a soft ambient light, creating a cozy and almost accurate spotlight effect.
Support sector, two vertical support beams, possibly made of wood or coated metal, hold the lamp in place. The cable forms an elegant arc, giving it a minimalist yet artistic look.
Glass enclosure. A glass aquarium or acrylic case surrounds the entire setup, giving it a gallery or museum-like presentation. The case is smoothly crafted with rounded edge and clean lines.
Wooden base. A thinly finished wooden base with a soft curve, acting as the foundation of the display. It blends warmth with modern design aesthetic.
But why bother yourself with all these complicated things while we can use candles? Let me explain. It is true that we can use candles. Well, it's not difficult and doesn't have a high cost. However, candles are quite dangerous, such as heating paper or causing injuries to the hand. So, our products are safer to use.